Okay, we are gonna make strawberry with banana ice cream. And for this recipe, we are gonna use 3 egg yolks. We're gonna separate them with our clean hands. That's all you need to do. There's nothing like making your own ice cream at home. It's very delicious. Okay, so after you separate the 3 eggs yolks, just wash your hands. And we're gonna use heavy cream, 2 cups of heavy cream. It's very important to use heavy cream because it gives a nice flavor to our ice cream. The only heavy cream that I find here is ultra pasteurized. But if you find it like regular pasteurized, it will be better. I'm gonna use 1 cup of milk, and we're gonna use 3/4 cups of sugar. You can also use 1 cup if you want. And what you want to do here is just start combining everything with the flames of your stove at low heat. You don't want to have it high. Just do this for like 2 or 3 minutes. That's all you want to do. Okay, after that, just grab some stuff from there and just put it to the 3 egg yolks, and you're gonna combine everything. I like to make my own ice cream at home. Sometimes we make like chocolate ice cream, whatever, papaya ice cream, avocado ice cream. It's a very good idea. Okay, just put back everything in there and just keep mixing everything for 3 or 4 more minutes. You don't want to have it very hot. You don't want to do that. Okay, you don't let it get to the boiling point. You don't want that. After 3 or 4 minutes, you want to have some consistency of like kind of thickness, and that's what we want. I like to use a strainer, very fine strainer, and we're gonna pour everything in there. This is the base for any ice cream that you want to make at home. It's very hot. You don't want to use it right now. What you want to do is just cover it, put inside the refrigerator for 8 hours, or you can put it in the freezer for 3 hours, and then put it out, take it out. I'm gonna use like probably 10 or 12 strawberries, and we're gonna like chop a little bit of it, and 1 banana, since we're making strawberry and banana ice cream. Okay, that's all we need right now. You can also add some chocolate if you want, or like peanut butter. Now I'm gonna grab 3 or 4 strawberries, and I'm gonna cut them in little pieces. We're gonna use this at the end. You don't want to use it right now. Just keep watching, and I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna do with these pieces of strawberry. We want to add it almost at the end. Okay, after that, just set them aside. Do you make your own ice cream at home? Do you have an ice cream machine? To get a better texture, a good quality ice cream, you need a machine, okay? Okay, so we're gonna put here the banana and the strawberries in a blender, and after the next day or after 8 hours, you wanna make sure this base is very cold. That's what we want. You grab some and just add it to the blender in there, and we're gonna combine everything in here. It's just gonna take maybe like 40 seconds. You don't wanna overdo it. After that, just put back everything in the base and combine. It's very easy to make ice cream. It just takes maybe like 2 or 3 days, to finish the whole process. I like to use food coloring. I like to use red color. If you don't want to use it, that's okay. You can omit it. I just like to give it a, like more intense color to the ice cream. This is like a food coloring that you can buy on the internet, and just combine everything. You can buy it on Amazon. Here we add more food coloring, and I'm having my daughter help me here a little bit. She likes ice cream. All kids probably like ice cream, right? Especially in the summertime. It's very hot right now where we live. Everybody is having a hard time with the weather. This is the ice cream machine. You know, it used to cost $60 before. You know how much it costs right now? $120. That's a lot of money. You know, with the recession that we have right now, everything went up. So if you want to buy it, I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video. That thing over there, you have to put it in the freezer for 2 days before you make your ice cream. Now put everything in there because that part, you know, is very cold, very, very hot. You wanna always have it in the freezer. Okay, so we're gonna put all the strawberry, the little pieces that we cut before, in there because we wanna see some chunks in there. I like to use banana extract. If you don't have, you can also use vanilla extracts or strawberry extract and add some drops in there. All we have to do is just wait 15 or 18 minutes. That's it. We are almost finishing. I always like to show here how's the consistency, how the ice cream is getting thick, heavy. We don't want a like watery ice cream, not at all. Okay, so after 18 minutes, you can give it more time if you want. We are finished. Now, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a like. It's free to give it a like and share the video. We are finished. Now we're gonna put all the mixture, because I don't think that's ice cream right now, in a container in there, and we're gonna put it, or you know, store it in the freezer. You don't want to put it in the refrigerator. Make sure it's in the freezer for 1 or 2 days. More than 8 or 10 hours will be great. What do you think about this recipe? You know, sometimes I buy ice cream in the supermarket, but it's very expensive. You can buy a little container for like $5, $5. I think I like to make it at home better. Make sure you clean all the edges, everything around you. Put it inside the freezer. We're gonna use it for the next day, and we are almost ready to eat some creamy and delicious ice cream. We have some waffle that you can buy in the supermarket. I have a waffle machine. I can make my own waffle, but I don't know, some people don't like to see a long video of making ice cream and waffle. My daughter is desperate for one ice cream, but we're gonna give her some, don't worry. Thank you for watching. This is how I made my own banana and strawberry ice cream. And you can add some like chocolate chips in there. You can put peanut butter. Oh my God, there are thousands of recipes of how to make ice cream at home. Thank you for watching one more time, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.